Here's the right lung over here, and here's the left lung over here. Diaphragm, liver. See that big old liver? Gallbladder.
Oh, look.
Right there. There's the gallbladder. And going up under here, let's see what we can see. Here's the stomach right here. And then underneath it, here's the greater omentum. See how you can pull the greater omentum off of it like that. And lean it back. Like
Now, what is
that.
the function of the greater omentum again?
Well, it's kind of debatable, but it probably acts as a physical buffer, or just a physical barrier to keep concussion from damaging the intestines and all. And maybe it has a immunological job too, because it has a lot of lymphatic tissue in it.
Okay.
But people can live without it, so it's like a lot of other things that may have had some job we don't know about.
And which one is the one that actually suspends the?
The lasso one.
The
Yeah,
mesentery.
there's that one.
Okay, see all of these,
Yeah.
see all of that membrane that's holding that in place? That's the mesenteries right there.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, and see it tearing right there?
Mm-hmm.
See, it's holding the, in that case, that's the large intestine holding it in place. Now, see this membrane right here? This shiny membrane right here?
Is that a
that's-
kidney?
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
kidney right there, and it's outside of that membrane. This is the
Okay.
peritoneum right here. And since it's lining the wall, that's the parietal peritoneum.
Okay.
All of this right here. See, I'll stick my probe through it right there. That's the parietal peritoneum. And then the visceral peritoneum covers the surface of these organs. So that's the visceral peritoneum. All of this covering of the intestines is visceral peritoneum. Covering of the stomach, that's all visceral peritoneum there. Okay. And of course, this would be the duodenum coming down from the stomach right here, and then it goes into the mass, and you just can't tell what's what. And then down at the very end, where it feeds into the large intestine, this part would be the ileum, right? So that'd be the cecum. Cats don't have an appendix, so there's no appendix there. That would be the ileocecal valve right here. Then this would be the ascending, transverse, descending branch of the large intestine, and then it would go deep underneath here and become the rectum and the anus.
This is mine.
So is the descending large intestine, is it
Let me
more
know if I
like
can email this to you.
posterior, or is it just kind of the way this looks, but it's really, I don't know.
And kind of lays over
On the
like
left
that.
side.
Okay.
Now, in a cat, it doesn't quite have that rectagonal look that it has
Right.
in a
in
human.
Okay.
It's not quite as, and it's more of a bow up on top.
Uh-huh.
But it kind of has the same general pattern. Okay? Diaphragm. This ligament, we never did name this. This is called the falciform ligament. Kind of holds the liver in place and ties the liver to the, separates those two lobes and kind of holds it where it needs to be. And then here's the gallbladder right here. See it? Going down here. And this would be the cystic duct. And then the common bile duct would go down away from that. Right there. See it? Right there. That'd be the common bile duct. Okay. Can you name everything, Rich?
Yeah, sure.